Never seen her.
Never seen her in the newsroom.
Well, I exist.
How is it going so far?
So far, so good. Kind of a, weird start.
I know.
So.
I feel for people who are like starting in these situations, like all the time, like in an editorial meeting, someone like pops up and I'm like, who is that? They just got like assigned the lead story and I don't even know their name. Like,
How long have you been here?
I've been here.
But what I wanted to do was right around 5 years. It's looking like there's going to be a dry spot.
Yeah.
That comes in, that could impact Denver. We're kind of right on the edge of it.
Right.
But then it picks right back up again overnight. So, yeah. So it does like slow down.
The other thing that's like super weird about.
But right now, yeah, we're still on track for.
I got rid of a lot of my furniture when I left my last
And
city.
then the foothills,
so
I
just
just
was like,
foothills, they should be going pretty good by the time.
So much of my furniture is still in backstock because of like COVID stuff.
So this is right on the same hammer, so.
My apartment, while like almost everything that I need has been purchased, so few items have actually arrived. So that part's like I didn't even think about that aspect.
I know.
So
Yeah,
I would say
Yes, I would recommend like
things have been coming
older,
pieces
golden.
at a time. I think
Be
the
good. I do
majority
think
of
that
stuff
Fort
I'm
Collins
waiting for should be here by like the
Maybe I
beginning
need
of
to
the
send anyone.
But I ordered it all in like
I just
December.
released it this morning.
So I've been like, as I say, living like a hobo.
I think that's where
So many stuff gets in. But
I know we're gonna be moving over the summer into a new place and we want to be the same thing, like get new furniture. Like we have to order in April.
Yeah.
If we want a couch. Like it won't show up before that.
But yeah, the DA might be for 5 o'clock.
Yeah, no, we got a tip from like a couple of people. They were like, everything is so bad.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
really bad.
Cool.
So hopefully once everything gets it like like settled, but
Yeah.
it's still this like kind of half settled, half
I know.
feeling with like, okay, once everything gets here, I can feel like a normal person.
Yeah, like home a little.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
it's the worst. The first couple of months are always like the worst because it's just like chaos. And,
Finding your footing.
yeah. What do they have you up to today?
Just like they're apparently going to be just live streaming and
Yeah.
some sort of newscast all day, so be doing just weather hits
Nice.
through stream all morning and afternoon.
Oh my god. We'll see. Should be an interesting morning. I can't wait.
Yeah, it's just like, where's the snow? There's no anything.
I know people are like freaking out. Kylie was saying they're like freaking out.
I want to kill myself.
And it's
Well-
just like, dude, we told you it wasn't gonna come Saturday morning. Like,
It's-
chill.
I think it's like that in any market that gets snow. Because I worked in Omaha last, and we got the same thing all the time. I wish I could get paid for being wrong. Like, okay, great.
Just
Continue to flip your burgers.
It does suck right now though, because we did say it would start last night, and then the storm slowed
yeah,
down.
but that was updated. I feel like that got updated. Like,
It is, yes.
Like,
I know.
I mean,
There's no reasoning with these people.
by this, the thing is also, it's like, that I at least try to convey is like, yes, because by this time yesterday, I was still doing like website and pushing things, and we were, like you're saying, expecting things to
Yeah.
pick up overnight. And I think my push alert yesterday even said like becoming heavier overnight,
Yeah.
things like that. But it's also like, it's weather.
yeah.
You're expecting us to be fortune tellers.
Yeah.
Like we do the best as technology can allow us to do. And
People don't
that's what I try to like level with people. I'm like, look,
Yeah.
you expecting us to be 100% right 100% of the time and know from the first mention. That's another thing, because they'll say
Yeah.
things but not follow the updates.
Yeah.
So it's like we update you along, but you're like, well, you said, well, yeah, we said that a week ago. You have to continue to follow updates.
I knew on Monday we were fucked when people were like 8 feet of snow this weekend, because like it also wasn't us. Like it's like these
No.
weird weather enthusiasts on the internet, and those things get circulated, and it's like that's not us.
Yeah,
But
we used to get that in Omaha a lot too, and then what made it worse was there was a guy, a meteorologist. He was the chief meteorologist at one of the other stations, and he was there for forever. And he was just kind of known for his outlandish
yeah.
forecasts. And then
He'd like play into it.
yeah, and he worked for, I forget which station it was out there, but he retired / got replaced right when I started working there, which was about 5 years ago. But he would still push out his like outlandish
Oh,
stuff on
great.
Facebook, and they're like, Jim Flowers said, like, F Jim Flowers. Yeah. One, he never worked here, and two, he's not even employed anymore. But he was like, he'd be the only meteorologist in the entire market. Like, everybody else would be like 6 to 10 inches, and he'd be like 3 feet. Knock it off, Jim Flowers.
So funny.
So annoying.
What time do you want to go to the hotel? Are you staying at the hotel?
No.
Not like in a particular
I'm
rush.
not in a big rush either. I was thinking like 5 or 6, maybe 6 or 7. What do you? When do we want to eat cheese? There's so much cheese.
I'll eat cheese at any point. I mean, yeah. I know I'm gonna fall asleep by 3:30 tonight. I'm
Oh, me too, for sure. Oh, that's true. I forget we're going to bed so early.
Yeah, but I think like 5 or 6 is fine.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. I'm assuming we can do dinner there, right?
Can we expense that?
Meager was like, expense the shit out of this night. He's like, just order everything you can. I was like,
Me here, that's not how this works.
I was like, they're not there.
If we get like a stipend, it's me like $11.
Yeah. Here's your $9.95 to eat on Saturday night.
Because what is it, the Hyatt place?
Hyatt House or something?
Let me see.
Oh, we're leaving. Are you leaving? Sorry.
Are you working tomorrow?
Mm-mm.
Oh, because I'm doing. Oh, so that's why you're.
That's what we were.